Hey everyone, Sandeep here from 99signals.com and I'm back with another AppSumo Lifetime Deal review. If you've ever wanted to launch your own audio or video app, whether it's for your podcast, YouTube channel, or online course, but didn't want to deal with coding or expensive developers, then you'll love this latest deal on AppSumo. In this video, we are checking out AudioRista, a powerful no-code platform that helps you turn your existing audio or video content into a full-fledged mobile app. You can publish your own branded app for iOS and Android and manage subscriptions without writing a single line of code. And the best part, it's currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal starting at just $39. That's a fraction of what you'd normally spend building an app from scratch. Stay tuned as I'll show you exactly how AudioRista works, what you can build with it, and whether it's worth grabbing before the deal ends. Before we get to the demo, let's quickly check out all the plans AppSumo is offering on AudioRista. Right, this is the AudioRista deal page on AppSumo. Now, if at any point during the demo you'd like to check it out for yourself, just click the link in the description below. Keep in mind, this is a limited time lifetime deal, so if you think AudioRista is the right platform to build your audio or video app, I would highly recommend grabbing it while it's still available on AppSumo. You can find the link in the description below. Now let's check out all the plans that are on offer at AppSumo. License Tier 1, which is the basic plan, goes for $39. This is essentially an app builder. You can't manage any users here. And once you build the app with AudioRista, you'll have to upload it on your own on the App Store or the Google Play Store. So it's just an app builder that you get with $39. If you look at License Tier 2, you can manage up to 1,200 users within AudioRista itself. So you get a lot of engagement metrics. You can track your statistics. You can track your downloads all through AudioRista, and you can also publish the app with AudioRista. That is the difference between License Tier 1 and License Tier 2. Like I said, with License Tier 1, you get to use AudioRista purely as an app builder, but rest of the things like pushing the app to the App Store or Google Play Store and managing your users, you'll have to do on native platforms. Similarly, if you want to manage more users, you have to go with License Tier 3, where you can have up to 200 active users per month. With License Tier 2, you get 1,200 users, but they are one-time only users. So once you cross the threshold, you will probably need to upgrade your plan with AudioRista, or you'll have to manage things on your own on the Play Store or the App Store. So based on your requirements, you can choose any of these plans. If you want to use AudioRista purely as an app builder, then I would highly recommend going with License Tier 1. If you want to use AudioRista to manage your users and also get engagement stats within AudioRista, then you can go with License Tier 2 or License Tier 3, depending on your usage. Now that you know all the plans that are on offer at AppSumo, let's do a quick demo of AudioRista and I'll show you exactly how it works. Right, this is the AudioRista dashboard, and the first thing you'll notice is the launch checklist. This is like your roadmap to using the platform, and you'll find a bunch of tutorials here. Each step mentioned here has a list of tutorials. So what I'll do in this demo is I'll give you the Cliff Notes version of how to use AudioRista for creating an app for your audio content. But if you want to make the most out of this platform, I would recommend you watch all the videos in this checklist, and that way you can master all the features that AudioRista has to offer. Once you finish the onboarding, the first place I would recommend checking out is the My App section from the left side menu. This is where you can name your app and review all the legal stuff, things like your terms of service and privacy policy. Both of these can be edited, so if you want to add your own language or make quick tweaks, you can do that right here. After that, you can head over to the Images tab. This is where your app really starts to take shape. You can upload your app icon, launch screen logo, top bar logo, and all the other visuals that make your app look and feel like your brand. On the right, you will see a live preview that shows exactly how these images will appear in your app. Super handy for making sure everything fits just right. And finally, you can go to styling. This is where you can play around with your brand colors, switch between light mode and dark mode, or choose automatic, which adapts to your user's device settings. And below that, you can also customize the color palette for both themes, perfect if you want to make your app match your brand identity down to the smallest detail. Now let's talk about how you can add content to your AudioRista app. For the purpose of this demo, let's say you want to create an app for your podcast. The easiest way to do that would be to go to the extension tab and under Content Sync, install the Sync with Podcasts extension. Once you've done that, you can go to the Manage tab under Extension, click on the Edit button here, and then enter the RSS feed of your podcast. What this will do is it will sync up all the episodes you have on your podcast to AudioRista. But let's say you don't want to do that. Let's say you don't want to sync up all the episodes you have on your podcast. Let's say you want to upload each episode manually and you would want your app to be very selective when it comes to certain podcast episodes. What you can do then is go to the Content tab, click on Titles, and upload each episode here. So when you go to the titles page, you'll find a couple of example titles uploaded here. This is just to show you how the platform works, but you can delete them once you're launching the app. Now to get started, you can click on the Add Title button. This is where you can upload the audio file. And once the file is uploaded, you can give a name to that particular file and enter a long description and a short description. On the right side, you'll see the audio file that has been uploaded, and you'll also see a player widget that will allow you to play the audio file. And when you scroll all the way down, you'll find the artwork section. This is where you can upload the artwork of your podcast. You can have the thumbnail image, the banner image, and you can totally customize the look and feel of how this specific episode will look on your app. Now this is how you can manually upload each audio file or video file to AudioRista. And once you have enough files here, you can go to the collection section and you can give a name to your collection. So in my case, I'm just uploading a few episodes from my Marketing Mantra podcast. So I've called this collection Marketing Mantra Podcast. Once again, you can enter a long description and a short description for your collection. And when you scroll down, you have the option to add different titles. So whatever titles you've added in the title section, you can add all of them here. And every time someone clicks on the collection in the app, they'll be able to see all the titles. So if you have all your episodes in the title section, make sure you add each of them to this specific collection. So this is how you can have titles and collections on your app. The tag section is mainly for internal reference. So let's say you are having an app with both video files and audio files. Let's say you're doing one for your YouTube channel and you're doing one for your podcast. The tags will basically help you differentiate between these different files. The next part is the CMS section. This is where you can play around with the app menu and the layouts. There are different layouts that you can choose from. So you can go with the square look or the banner look or the tall look, and you can preview each of these different layouts on the right side in the preview section. Now, once your app is ready, you can go to the distribution tab. Remember, this is only available for license tier 2 and above. If you are going with license tier 1, you can only use AudioRista as an app builder. You'll have to download your app and then upload it manually on your Apple developer account or your Play Store account. Now, with license tier 2, you can set up your Apple account through AudioRista, but you'll still have to pay the $99 per year fee to get your app listed on the App Store. Same with Play Store. Play Store is a little cheaper because you just have to pay a lifetime fee of $25 and you can have your app listed on the Play Store. Now, if you want to monetize your app, you can go to the Extension tab, click on All, and install Revenue Cat Paywall. This will allow you to accept in-app payments for your subscriptions. Really handy if you're using AudioRista to build an app for a course or any sort of gated content that you would want to provide through your app. So this is just a quick demo of how you can use AudioRista to create your own audio or video app. Like I mentioned in the beginning, there is a launch checklist that you can see as soon as you log into the AudioRista dashboard. So to really master all the features and to learn different ways you can monetize your app, I would highly recommend watching all the videos that you see in their launch checklist. And if you found this app interesting, you can get lifetime access to it for just $39 at AppSumo. You can find a link in the description. So go ahead and click on that link if you want to check out AudioRista at AppSumo. Thank you so much for watching this AudioRista review and demo. I hope you found it useful, and I'll be back very soon.